Hey, hey, hey! What's up, what's up? What's up, guys? Okay, another video, another recording. Agent Becker here, guys. Welcome, welcome. So this is gonna be the part 2. Okay, continuation nung nilaro natin nung last time. So hope you guys like the part 1. So yeah, enough talk. Hindi natin patagalin. Tuloy lang natin kung ano, where we left off. So, sige. Hold on. Mhm. Continue. Continue or load? Continue or load? Load na lang para ano. Current. Current. Okay. Tutuloy lang natin siya, guys. So, kumusta kayo dyan? Okay. I hope you guys are doing well. All is well. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoy this. Okay. So, teka lang. Liwanagan natin. Get through the main door. Okay. So, kung natatandaan nyo, sa part 1, dito tayo natapos. No? So, sige. Let me check the room. Kasi ayokong ano eh. Ayokong may nakakaligtaan. Speaking, ano to? Hold to hide? Oh! Okay. So, nag-i-introduce na sila ng features. Hindi ko lang kung anong mafe-feel ko dyan. Most likely, may maghahabol na sa atin. Bakit may hide option na? Teka lang. Dito muna tayo. Ano meron dito? Dito muna tayo. Okay. Teka. Ha? Dito na ba ako pupunta or... dito pala muna. Okay. Kasi parang ang lawak na dun sa kabila. Okay, let's check this area first. Walang gamit. Okay. So, ito lang, may ano lang tayo. Recorder, right? So, play. Pakinggan natin. So, tingin ko kailangan natin pumunta dun sa ano. Sinabi niya yung evidence room. O, yun ba yung kanina, di ba? Yung may nakita tayong patay na tao. Di ba? O, ito yun. Okay. Ano meron dito? Ano yun? Hindi ko mabasa. Okay. So, walang ano dito. Walang may access. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. May something eh. Teka lang. Babaliktad ko ulo ko. Us. Waits lied to us, sabi. Di ba lupit? Binaliktad ko ulo ko para para mabasa ko yun. So, si Waits. Maintenance jack. Ito yung sinabi niya. May maintenance. Anong tao doon? Yung maintenance jack, di ba? Hold on. Check muna natin dito. Kung may... Kala ko gamit. Orb or something. Let's search this area. Yoko. Oh, nice controller. Okay, mukhang kailangan natin pumunta doon pero... Wait. Shit! Ito yung sinasabi na, ay putik ano yun? Crowbar? Ayun, may weapon tayo guys, oh. Okay. Di pinansin yung patay na tao. Tingin ko ito yung ano, pangatlong sabi ko na eh. Ito yung nandun sa recording kanina, yung sinabing nilak. So, yan. Dito tayo dadaan. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so diretso lang siguro. Aha. Ito. Oh. Teka, may ano, may blood stains or blood trails here. Parang di ko gusto to. Di ko gusto to, guys. Kawawa naman. So, naiwan siya dito, no? Ito yung ano, pambukas. Maintenance jack. Hindi pala to weapon. Okay. So, marami na tayong mabubuksan, no, guys? Yung mula kanina. Ayun na, yung mga ganyang lock. Okay, so, teka. Check muna natin tong place. Para sure lang na wala tayong maiiwan. Okay, pasensya ka na, buddy. Yun yung pagbukas. Hold. Left. Tapos. Ano? Hold. Hold left. Ito left. Okay. Kala ko kung ano. Yun. Parang may narinig ako. Ako lang ba yan? Yun. Tunog lang ba yun? Parang may narinig ako. Okay. Wala. Check muna natin to. Ano meron dito? Ito may mga scraps. Wait. Wala na ba? Wala na. Wait, ano to? Bonding agent. Okay. May ini-interrogate sila. Someone named Heist. Hold on. Okay. Tingin ko doon na talaga tayo. Babalik tayo doon sa may... Kung naalala nyo guys. Ha? Teka. Ayoko ng tunog. Anong tunog yun? What's happening? Labas na nga tayo. Parang wala naman. False alarm. Ay, hindi ako makalabas. Ba't di ako makalabas? Ano yung tunog na yun? Receive muna natin. Para receive. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Ba to? Wait. Abay, ano to? Sorry. Inayos ko yung ano. Okay. So, balik na tayo dun sa mga ano natin. Yung pintuan na kailangan ng jack. Maintenance jack. We need to be cautious though. Mamaya na tayo dyan. Check muna natin yung mga ibang pinto na nakasara. Because of the maintenance jack. Actually, hanggang sa, di ba, yung sa may, ano, sige. Balik muna tayo dito. Kasi baka may mga gamit tayo na ano na lagpasan, ganun. Tsaka na tayo dun sa ano. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. So, anong meron? Ayan, banding agent. Tapos, yun lang. Okay, wait. May flare. Ano pa? Yun lang. Okay, sige. Kaysa naman wala. Better than nothing. Ano pa tayo dito? Plasma torch. Yung nakalak pa ba dito? Ayun, wala na. Balik tayo dun sa ano. Thank you yung mga nalagpasan natin na ano. Na pinto, no? Teka, huwag muna tayo dun sa ano. Tingin ko ano yung matitrigger pag binuksan ko yan. Teka na. Try ko mo lang muna mag-backtrack. Hold on. Mag-backtrack lang ako. Kasi ano wala na. Ayun. Di pa rin ako marunong nung crouch. Ayaw mag-crouch na naman. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan tong crouch button na to. Ayun. Ano automatic ba siya? Teka, hindi makakabalik. Ay, hindi. Wala akong choice pala. Nahulog ba ako dito? Paano ako nakapunta ulit? Ito. Akala ko nahulog. Akala ko hindi ako makakabalik. Okay. Wait lang. Ayaw nga pala, pera lang dun sa ano, no? Di ba nadulas tayo? Siguro yun hindi na natin mababalikan. Pero sige. Ano yan? Okay. Sige tayo. Ito yung parang ano, di ba? Store. Hanap tayo ng mga nakalak. Ano ba dito? Wala. Din yung may mga nakalaki. Kaya lang. Nakalak. Ay, hindi. Kaya lang. Ano lang. Mini-make sure ko lang wala tayong malalagpasan bago tayo mag-proceed. Loko. Ay, kago. Nakuryente. Ba't ka kasi tumayo? Kago. Iyoko ko yun eh. Check lang natin kung... okay. So, wala pala dito. Hindi, check ko lang. Okay, wala. Nag-backtrack tayo sa wala. Hindi, okay lang. Hindi, akala ko kasi may mga ano dito. May mga door na nakalock na kailangan nung ano, nung vault. Yaman na. At least alam natin na wala tayong nalagpasan. Huwag ka tatayo ah. Okay. Ground ka tuloy. Tumayo ka bigla eh. For some reason. Eto, tas ayaw mo naman tumayo. Ay, tumayo. Balikan tayo. At least alam na natin. Wala tayong nalagpasan. Wala ba talaga? Wala. Plasma ano yun eh. Kailangan ng plasma something. Ay, tumakbo. Ito talaga may magits yung takbo. Hindi ko magits yung takbo. Ayaw eh. Teka. Asan yung ano natin? Oh, ba't ayaw nung ano? Yung menu. Hindi ko ma-open yung menu guys. Teka lang. Yun. Craft tayo ng medkit. Yun. Kasi may mga nakuha tayong ano. Banding agent. Kaya na. Damihan natin yung ano. Wala na. Ang reason bakit ko kinrate yan. Yan. Gamit tayo isa. Okay. Balik na tayo. At least hindi masyado malayo yung binalikan natin. Ayaw ma-unequip. Ayaw eh. Ayaw. Ano ba yan? Yun. Yan na lang. Hawakan natin yung flare. Ayaw mag-ano eh. Ayaw na mag-unequip. Open, climb out. Okay. This is it, guys. Ay, sorry. Yung pala sa kabila. Hopefully, dito katulad ng first, natin, yung part 1. Pero optimistic naman ako. Tingin ko may makikita na tayong alien dito. Finally. Okay. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Okay, let's see. Eto na guys, ready na ba kayo? Tingin ko dito na yun. Eto na. May cinematics. Sino yun?
Okay. Come on! I'm Ripley.
Where'd you come from? Ripley!
Off station. A ship.
There's no ships here!
There are now.
Well, that's good news. Because things are not so good here. Something blew just now. Rocked this whole place.
I saw it.
But lady, that's the least of our problems.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something's on the station. Something you won't believe.
Like what?
A killer. You get it?
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
That's...
I was boarding with 2 colleagues. EVA. We got separated by the blast. Can you help me find them? Because you seem to know your way around.
Why? What's in it for me?
Place on the ship.
I know I can trust you.
I need to find comms. I need to contact my ship.
Yun.
This is your lucky day.
Okay, may kakampi na tayo.
Seek some comms is in the System Spire. It's quite a distance, but we can get to transit through the freight area. Watch yourself. We can get into all sorts of trouble there, okay?
Okay na. Sure, Axel.
Come on, I don't want to stick around here long.
Kalma ka, binubuksan na nga eh.
Is that you following me back there?
Had to keep my distance. Can't take any chances.
Ano to? Buksan natin to. Oh, wala pa lang dito. Kala ko kung ano meron.
Inquisitive type, eh? Stay close to me.
What?
Hey, don't move.
Okay. We're not looking for trouble.
Ay, yung tao.
Who are you?
I'm John. This is Ringo. We're just some assholes. We haven't got time for this. Come on, Jana.
We're trying to get to comms. Can you help us?
We don't need their help. Don't tell them anything. Look, I've got the elevator working. Jana, let's go, okay?
I'm sorry. Good luck.
Ayan, binigyan ko kayo ng flare.
What the hell was that about? Why are you so damn aggressive?
Everyone's running shit scared. Keep them to the north. Safer that way.
Keep up. Teka lang. Wala walang gamit.
I hope this ship of yours is the real McCoy. Hold up. Let me get the elevator.
Oh, sige.
Allow me. Place is old. Needs a special touch.
Hmm.
Well, what are you waiting for? Hit the button.
Teka lang. Hintay ko ngayon sabihin mo.
I'd appreciate it if you told me what the hell was going on. Right now.
Listen, guys. When we get to the ship, we can kill man, raid each other's hair, and chant all you want.
Yeah, when we get to my ship. I need to know what's going on. Right fucking now.
Fine. Like I said, there's a killer.
Killer. What does that even mean?
I ain't seen it, but it's here. Picking us off one by one.
What are you saying? A psycho? A person?
No, something else. A monster.
Hindi, una ka pare ko. Una mamatay. Bakit? Ayaw niya dumiretso.
Shit, we need to move. This way.
Saan?
Get down. This is bullshit. Should be looking for a way off.
Are you crazy? There's no way off. At least we're safe down here. For how long? What if they come for us? And we shoot the crap out of them? Now shut up. You're making me nervous.
Ang tao.
Trouble. We'll have to go round them.
Eto.
Follow me.
Nakalaki. Okay. Sige. Ba't di ako makakit? Ayun.
Friends of yours?
I've had run-ins with those guys before. They don't like strangers. Even nice guys like me.
I'm shocked.
I'm pulling your chain, darling. You want to go and say hello? It's your funeral. Those guns hang for sure.
Someone should be doing something.
They are. It's called surviving.
So parang wala na. They gun array na. Wala chaos na.
On each other. The fear, it makes people crazy.
Hmm.
I've noticed.
Teka lang.
You've been living here?
What can I say? My buckle's on holiday. Grab what you need. When we'll get another chance.
Hindi ako makakit. Teka lang. Hindi ako makatayo.
Been hunkered down here for a week now, waiting for a ship, waiting for you, I guess.
Wait, teka lang. Mag-save muna ako. Sagit lang. Naghanap ako kung may gamit.
It can get pretty dark around here. You should take that flat.
Nasaan yung flashlight?
There.
Nasaan?
Make sure you stop the top of the batteries.
Ito. Oh, tapos.
Come on, what are you waiting for? Pick up the flashlight.
Hindi ko pa ba nakuha yung flashlight? Nasaan? Nasaan yung flashlight? Ito.
Be careful not to flash it around. You don't want to get caught. Let's go.
Ay pa mag-climb. Teka lang.
This way.
Asan na siya?
What now?
I'll watch the vent. There's another vent right here somewhere. I marked it so I wouldn't forget it.
Use your flashlight.
How about you look around? We're not going anywhere until you find that vent.
Ito na lang. Ba't flashlight pa gamitin ko? Ito. Teka lang, may gamit na. Ito, kita ko na. Puro vent dito. May tignan ko lang may gamit.
I hate this place.
Asan siya? Ito, hindi ba to? Hindi hinahanap mong vent. Yung nandito ba? Baka yung nandito yung sinasabi niya. Ito.
Axel, is this it?
Hindi mo nga nakita eh. Got it covered. Ako naghanap eh. Teka lang. Ano ba ulit ito? Iba to. Ayan.
It's not smart to stay here too long.
Is the way everyone travels around here?
Just those that want to stay alive, sweetheart.
What a sweet fellow.
Toilets, so that's your ship, huh?
Paano nyo nalaman?
Quiet. I hear something.
Paano nyo nalaman to, Orange?
Yeah, I hear you. Will do. Gotta go meet the others. Something's going down. There's always something going down. Come on. We don't want to piss him off. We'll make it through this, I promise.
Follow me.
Teka lang. Save muna ako. Meron dito. Teka lang Axel Ay, sarado pala to. Nasa ka na? May kinek lang ako.
Okay, go be quiet here. Shine that flashlight.
Ayan.
Quietly.
What's the emergency? Someone else has been. Everyone stay alert. Guns tight. Shoot anyone you don't know. Stick around while I check our stock. Still think we need more supplies.
Too many to take on.
Take on.
We still got to get through there. The door at the end. Let's try a distraction. The generator. If that went down, we'll have to check it out. How small.
Great.
Which one of you checked our supplies last?
Saan?
I did. What's up? You decided to help yourself a little? What the fuck is that
doon.
Vince, if it's not one of us, then we were right. Someone's been in here.
This is no good. We're supposed to be secure down here.
Yeah. What about the lockjaw rigged up? I've just come from there. Seal tight. Eyes open. Keep your guns ready.
Someone's gonna have to tell the boss.
Boss, he's a goddamn store clerk.
Ito yung generator.
Maybe you think you could do better. He's not saying that. Just saying that. Just stop saying. Help me check the rest of this stuff. Basically, if you can keep your trap from running for 5 seconds.
Turn off.
What just happened? Generator.
It just turned itself off? No. Somebody's here.
Check it out. Everyone with me.
Pagkaano nila, akit tayo.
Who's there? Come out. It won't hurt you. Doesn't seem to be broken. How would you know, Einstein? If the generator had blown, there'd be smoke. Well, it's not working now. Maybe the safety got tripped. Could have been a rodent. Got stuck in it, set off the safety. A rat. Big fucking rat to do that. Well, I don't know. Someone was fucking with us. Probably the same
Teka lang.
person who stole our stuff.
Di ka na.
They're still close by.
Paano? Di ka na ako dun ah. Hindi ko lang saan pupunta. Buti... Ha? Buti dinarag niya ako. May save na naman. Sige, save na natin. Okay. Ano na? Saan tayo? May guide ba dito?
How much further? Nearly there. Transit's just up ahead.
Saan?
Let's just hope your ship's still there.
Saan ba
Sebastian,
dito?
not quite what you're expecting.
Ba't tayo mo umalis? Ba't nauna na ako sa kanya? Ayun. Akala ko hindi na susunod eh.
I'm supposed to be here. My shipping out papers were for a week ago.
Teka lang ah. Wait lang. Sebastian Link. Personal blind-eyed. 2-man rule. S. I managed to get my hands on that stuff I was talking about. Chief won't even notice the stock missing. Things obviously get lost when the station's closing down. Don't worry about customs either. Sinclair's told his men to turn a blind eye. They'd probably be too busy goofing off or taking backhanders to notice anyway. You get what you pay for, I guess, Bailey. 2-man rule. Isa blind eye. Ito 2-man rule. Your son, Leonard. You're both first shift on the door, so read carefully. Putting this together wasn't easy. And we don't want intruders getting in because you didn't read the instructions properly. This here is what you call a 2-man roll lock. This means it needs two to open the door simultaneously from two different consoles. Most of us don't know each other, so this is the safest way. Make sure everything stays secure. And none of us decide to head off on their own with our stuff. When you're on ship, take in turns to keep guarding. Notify the other one of us needs to be let in or out. That means just us, no one else. No matter how much anyone begs and no matter what sub story they try and pull. I was with a group before and we got soft and now I'm the only one left. Trust no one. Kill. Inventory. Inventory, no one is to take anything or mark it off the list without talking to me first. Aspirin. So, ang daming gamit oh. Ito yung mga sinasabi nila nawawala. Yung mga pinagkukuha natin. Aspirin, canned food, cereals, water, installed tubes, cigar sticker, and installed pepper 26 rolls, installed 6 rolls. Medkit 2, powdered milk. Notes running low on ammunition. Zoe managed to pick up some prescription drugs. Others to the same person, guess they didn't need them anymore. Okay, hold on. Let me just turn up something here. Okay. Asa na siya? Okay. Saan na tayo? Oh. Eh, ano? Ano ba yan? Kaya ako ba una dapat? Okay, so?
Let's power it down. The assholes have cut us off. God, we need to activate both consoles at the same time to open it. I'll do this one. You go to the one on the other side.
Okay.
Alin? Yun nandito? Parang piling ko iwan tayo ni Axel.
Ready. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Behind you.
Ay puta! Teka lang. Punta na ako dyan.
Fuck you! Get here now! Got the thieving son of a bitch! You bums think you can take what you want? Get the fuck off me!
Yun. Naku, alam na nila.
Fuck. Let's go. The others are on their way. We need to go! Now!
Ayun na, gago.
Bastard!
Tara, Axel, bilis.
Shoot him! Shit, I think he's dead. They killed him.
Yun.
Come on!
You killed that guy!
Because he was going to kill me, you saved my life. This is about survival. Do you understand? Hear something. I hear something.
Oh, shit. Okay. Sama ko. Sama ko. Naku. Hindi na tayo ni Axel. Saan ba? Dito? Ano to? Dito na tayo. Hindi. Ha? Saan? Dito. Hindi rin. Saan na? Dito. Ano ba to? Saan na daan? Wait. Makita eh. Saan ako dadaan? Hindi naman dito. Ito mukhang tanga. Balik nga tayo dun. Saan? Dito ako galing. Gusto yung babalik ako dito. Saan ako dadaan? Teka lang. Saan na ako? Ito pala, buisit. Mangyari. Tagal ah. Yung tunog na yun. Ayun na. Yun yung tunog. Bilis. Bilis, 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 bilis. Ano naman doon? Putang na mo nun. Uy, shit! Uy, putang na mo. Ano gagawin ko doon? Ano gagawin ko doon? Current save. Pati tayo. Try pa natin isang versus. Ano gagawin ko doon? Saan to? Yung bago natin i-activate. Okay, gets.
How much further? Nearly there.
Okay, gagawin ko doon.
It's just up ahead. Let's just hope those ships stay there.
Ito na.
Sebastian, not quite what you're expecting. I'm not even supposed to be here. My shipping out papers were for a week ago. Let's power it down. The assholes have cut us off. Got it. We need to activate both consoles at the same time to open. I'll do this one. You do
Ito na. Sinabi mo na kanina yun. Kasi napatay ka kanina.
Ready. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Axel, behind you.
Fuck you! Get here now! I've got the thieving son of a bitch! You bums think you can take what you want? Get up!
Yan, pinatay na naman siya pangalawang beses na.
We need to go! Now! Hey, you bastard! Move it! Shoot him! Shit, I think he's dead. They killed him. Come on!
Skip na natin to.
You killed.
Alam na natin gagawin.
What's that thing?
Hindi ko alam gagawin dito, no?
I keep moving.
Ano masasara ka agad, no? Tapos, yun. Yun pala. Hindi ko pinudot ka na kaagad kanina. Yun ang pala gagawin. Please not a violent person. Okay.
Station serving Seegson Communication Technologies, Tech Support Services, and Gemini Exoplanet Solutions. Sebastopol Transit System.
Teka lang. Okay. So, save na natin. And, yep. I think this is gonna one who or the one. Eto na. This is gonna concludes our part 2. Okay. So at least maraming action nangyari. Compared sa part 1. Pero yun, guys, I hope you enjoy. Ayan. So tuloy na lang natin to. Like I said, this is gonna be a series, so you don't have to worry. There's gonna be part 3 after this. Okay. So I hope you enjoy. Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like this, like the video as well. So, sige, ingat kayo dyan. Thank you.